or I shouldn't say today, but this week we're talking about events, procedures, sequencing, those types of things. And they all kind of go hand in hand together. When you do events, a timeline, and doing a procedure, everything kind of is in order. We're putting things in order. So today we're reading two articles. One article is the history of Gatorade, which I have up here, and the other one is about Jane Goodall, and she works with chimpanzees. So just a quick overview, you're going to read and then you're going to fill out your questions. So there's some comprehension questions, but then there's some questions talking about the events. So again, which of the events happened just after the Kansas City Chiefs found out about Gatorade? Which of the events happened first? Again, which happened after the Gatorade Sports Science Institute was founded. Read the following list, and then you have to put them in the correct order. So again, when I do the Jane Goodall questions, it's the same thing. You're looking at what happened first, what happened just afterwards, putting the events in order. Because this week, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about putting things in sequence, using a timeline, all of those things. So pay close attention when you're reading to what happens first, what happens second, what happens third. Pay attention to how everything is in order. And then everything should go great for you. Easy peasy.